So when you are the same yeah, it's either say we chuba name and nasa me chuba and no. Welcome yummy. Today we are making salted cured goat's meat. My name is Yummy Cash. So this is really easy and very quick to make. In the bowl, add all your goat meat, and I'm using skinless goat meat because that is what we have here. And I have some cardamom. I'm going to add it to it. Now you can use any spices at all that you have. It is good to go. There is no basic spices for it. Now I add in the salt, which is going to preserve the goat's meat and also give it a very good nice flavor. Now I add in some black peppercorn and then some grains of celery. The next thing is some bay leaves. Now all the spices are just to give it some flavor and also some aroma. The addition of the salt improves the texture and also the flavor of the goat's meat, and also salting helps the protein retain their own natural juices. Now when I'm done adding everything and shaking it for everything to mix, I'm going to close it and leave it on the counter for 3 good days. So it is after 3 days, and this is what we are having. You can see that the color has changed. It is not kaput or it is not spoiled. It has rather improved the taste and the flavor of the goat's meat. So at this point, it is time to wash it. And if you want to keep it in your refrigerator, you can refrigerate it for at least or at most 6 months. If you are new to this channel, my name is Yummy Cash and welcome. Make sure to like, subscribe and share this video out to all your family and friends. And also, you might be interested in how I use this goat's meat to prepare some lye soup. If you are, click on this link and it will direct you straight to that video. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in another video. Till then, always remember to do everything in love. And whenever you think food, think Yummy Cash.